Hey guys, it's your girl, Eonnie Dear, and today I'm going to be showing you just how I deep treat my hair and how I, get my face ready and how I shave my face. I use these women silk razors and I just go gently. The key word here is gently. Just go gently down wherever you have undesired hair on your face. Just gently move the razor down. I usually don't put it directly on my skin, and I just go straight down. Now here, as you can see, I'm just taking all my my hair and I'm just pulling it back so I don't accidentally shave it off, because that ain't gonna be cute. We don't got time for that. So I just take a bristle brush with water and I just comb back my hair. Now as you can see here, I use my hand as a guide so I don't just take off all my sideburns. I mean, I don't really too much like them, but we don't need them to just be completely gone. So as you can see, I'm just going down gently with the razor, and I'm not just going with one stroke. I'm gently going down and just taking off the hair little by little. You don't have to rush this. You don't have to go super fast. Also, if you have more irritated and sensitive skin than I do, because I already have irritated skin, but if you want, I would recommend using an aloe vera gel, putting that over the places where you're going to pass that razor, just so it can help soothe out the skin. In this video, I don't have any aloe vera gel, so all I did was just use my dry skin and I went gently over every spot, making sure I get all the hairs out slowly. Now, after this, I usually immediately wash my face, because if I leave it, I will get irritated. And later you'll see I do get a little irritated around the bottom of my jaw and around my mouth area. It gets a little red, but that definitely goes away once I, wash my face immediately after. If I had the aloe vera gel, it would have been easier. What you can do also is, if you don't have aloe vera gel, you can probably use maybe some cold water and just put that over your face and just keep gently going down. Now usually as I'm doing this, I go downward strokes or moving it towards the side so I get all the little pieces of hair, as you can see. Now the tricky places is around the mustache and under on the chin area. This area, I would tell you to make sure you don't go too heavy-handed. You use the lightest touch. You don't want to dig into your skin. If you're scared, I would just say skip this part and just use a normal razor, or just use the maybe a facial hair remover, like a cream, and just put it over those parts if you're a little nervous to put the razor on your face. Now I'm just gonna do the rest of my face on the other side, and I'm just gonna quickly go over everything. Remember, just be gentle and take your time. Now, as you can see, I'm just gonna do my normal Korean skincare routine where I double cleanse. Here I'm just using my foam cleanser. I didn't use the oil cleanser this time because I don't have any makeup on, so I just went straight in with the foam cleanser and then used my cute little silicone brush and got in everywhere. Now after, because you shaved your face, your skin will feel so soft, and I just feel like when you do all of that, you're cleaning your pores more than you did when you had the hair on your face. So now, as you can see, my face is a little irritated. Now as you see, I'm putting the toner all over my face. Now if your face starts to burn, it shouldn't. Even though you've shaved your face or whatever, Your face should not burn. My face did not burn any of this time. And if it did, I would recommend you wash that straight off and just let your face sit and just dry for itself. Now, here is where we get into what the video is all about. Right now I'm just using jojoba oil and castor oil, and I'm just gonna put that gently through my hair. As you can see, I'm separating and I'm brushing and I'm detangling out my hair. It's already detangled from earlier, so now I'm just putting it near my roots and just putting my fingers through my hair, making sure I disperse the oil evenly throughout my scalp. I want all of this to massage my scalp. And of course, you know, I put the oil on the ends of my hair, which is where it's most dry. But mostly I want to focus on massaging the oil into my scalp, which will stimulate hair growth, and your hair will most likely start to grow a little faster once you keep that massage in your hair. So now, as you can see, I'm taking it and I'm putting the oil all the way through. Now I just use my curly hairbrush and I distribute and make sure that all the oil is distributed evenly throughout my hair. And I just do this until I feel like I've had enough oil in my hair and I've fully saturated hopefully every strand, and I just go through. Don't forget to focus on your ends. Your ends are the most driest points of your hair, and that needs the most attention. As you can see now, I'm just combing through my hair, parting it in the middle, and this is where I'm gonna part it into 3 and distribute my hair mask evenly throughout each section. So I detangle and I just go straight in with the hair mask. And this one I'm using the argan oil of Morocco hair mask for extra strength. I really do like it. I don't see any issue with it. It works. After, my hair feels really, really, really soft, and it feels like more voluminous, and it feels like it has more nutrients in it. So this is what I do. If I want to, I sometimes put a little bit more of the jojoba oil into the hair mask, and not the castor oil because that's a little bit too thick. If you want, you can put both. If you want, you can use another oil. You can use olive oil. I do like the jojoba oil, and then I like to seal it off with the castor oil and then a little bit of water. Now I'm just brushing that out. I'm just gonna leave that and do the same thing to the other side. This side I just was a little bit more quick on. I just mixed everything into the hair mask, which you can also do. If you are pressed for time, just do that and it'll be way faster. Also, I leave this in for as long as I feel like, 5 hours, 30 minutes, just depends on how you're feeling that day. Just do you, boo. It's all right. You good. Now, as you can see, I'm just brushing out my hair, and now you'll also get to see why I have this thing around my neck. It's just a crop top. I cheated. I don't have a black head wrap. I have colorful ones. I don't have just a plain black, and I wanted just a plain black one. So in a second, you will see why I have this all over my head. Well, all over my neck. So I put in a bun, put my little shower cap on to make sure that the heat stays in. I tighten it at the bottom and just tuck it in, and I just take my turtleneck And here we go, putting it right over. Easy way to just wrap your hair real quickly. It's like a silkish kind of crop top that I have. I just make sure the back is covered, everything's covered and in. As you can see, I'm fixing it here, I'm tucking everything in, and then I just crisscross and go around and around and around until I have a little bit of fabric, tie it, and then tuck it in. Literally, it's that easy. No big trouble here. It's literally that easy. Okay guys, so I finished doing my skincare. As you can see, I just washed my face. All I did was use the Stridex Acne, Sicilic Acne pads. And then I just use this, my Caprice, and then I use my Elemis facial oil, my rose oil. And then after that, I just did everything and then put my moisturizing cream, my Cetaphil, because you know I have I have eczema, so I always use this, something that's non-fragrance. You see my skin is looking good. I leave this. Now I leave my deep treatment in for, you can leave it in for 30 minutes, an hour, do what you want, doesn't matter. I usually leave it in for maybe almost until I go take a shower, so it's gonna be like probably almost half the day, so probably more than 5 hours. I'm just gonna do my normal thing. I'm gonna beat my days, be cute, my little outfit, you know. Yeah, so what I usually use is, if you don't have anything, I usually like to use castor oil. Now I have a big one. This was like probably like $8 on Amazon. I got all of this on Amazon. I usually use my castor oil, which is good for skin and hair. Now I use this usually only for hair, like hair, eyebrows. You can use for your eyelashes, and it promotes healthy hair, healthy skin, and it just nourishes your hair and helps it to grow. Now what I do is I usually, as you can see, I kind of like pull it through all of my hair to make sure it touches all of my scalp and go through, and I go through the back, and then I just put it and I focus on the ends. Now this is a carrier oil, so it's pretty thick. So what I do is I make it thinner with a jojoba oil. You can use an argan oil, you can use any oil, olive oil, coconut oil. I like jojoba oil. I got this also from Amazon. I think this was around $5, $4 or $5. This promotes healthier skin and hair. Also, it nourishes it. Your hair, for good looking hair, it nourishes and just, you know, it gets deep into the hair strands, and it, you know, helps the system out. So I also use this for my skin. What I would do is after a shower, I take a thin amount and I put it all over my body first, and then I lock it in with my cream, all for my skin. So basically right here down. For the face, you obviously know I use this also for my neck, and this, seal that in. Now after I put the oils in my hair, I put in a mask. You can use any mask. I decided to try the extra strength hydrate and repair argan Moroccan hair mask. So I usually mix it in. You can do whatever you want. You can put this in first, then put the oils. I like to put the oil, then this, and then mix it together and put more. You know, just do what you want. Put it in as you want. I like to do oil then mask because I just think that makes sense. And if I want to thicken it up the mask some more, make sure I have more product on my hair, I mix it at the end. Now, if you don't have any oils, I also have the Aragon Moroccan Extra Strength Penetrating Oil. You can use this and try this, maybe do these together. It's up to you. I usually just use this to style my hair, just keep it healthy and soft. So I'm just gonna keep this in probably for 5+ hours, whatever. Wash it out, style my hair as I see fit. Yeah, and that's it. So, as you know, always dare to be, and I'll see you in my next video.